The Metro Manila Development Authority is urging everyone to actively participate in the Metro-wide earthquake drill. The activity has been set for the end of next month. This report.
The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority is asking for the public's cooperation for the Metro drill on July 30. MMDA Chairman Attorney Francis Tolentino said the drill is a preparation for the big one.
Sabay-sabay na drop, cover and hold, sabay-sabay na pagbabalangkas, pagpapakita ng kanilang evacuation plan sa bawat bahay, sa bawat barangay, sa bawat ospital, at sa bawat eskwelahan. Kaya nga yung hinihiling ko, seryosohin natin.
The drill will last up to an hour from 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning. The actual drill will be aired on radio and television. Church bells in Manila will be heard as a sign that the drill has started.
I-execute yun kahit nasaan lugar siya kaya nga drill Pag aktor na lindol, talagang ganun ang mangyayari. Nakaiwan mo na yung sasakyan mo.
The MMDA leadership is also coordinating with business sectors on the said matter. The MMDA will set 4 quadrants in NCR which will serve as evacuation and command posts of the authorities. These include the Intramuros Golf Course in Manila, Veterans Golf Course in Quezon City, Villamor Golf Course in Pasay City, and Santolan Depot.
Meron tayong binuksan na website, marami nang nag-register na Habang lumalapit siguro yung oras, paliliwanagin natin yung detalye kung ano yung gagawin.
For the People's Television Network, this is Julius Lisamboron reporting.